Hammerhead Karoo 2 production model unboxing. I finally got it. It's black on black, so quite difficult to see. I'm triathlete. Wait, cyclist. Don't stop the video. I have a road bike and I wear socks too, so just stay tuned. I'm going to unbox this Karoo 2 and go through some reasons why I decided to buy this unit. Before I start unboxing, disclaimer first, I bought this. I put a pre-order last year and I think I was in the last slot of pre-orders. So it's almost February. It's the last day of January. I got this yesterday and I finally get to see it after paying 400 euros. I finally get to see it. So let's get cracking. It's a nice pack. It comes out in both ways. Oh, did you see that? Did you see that? Here we go. Yes. And here we go. It's quite big compared to my good old Edge 520. Huge difference. Oh, but it's actually thinner, perhaps. Yeah, like that. It's actually surprisingly light. Let me weigh it. It's 63, and I take this plastic off. It's 131, so about double. Oh. But comparing the display size, there's a huge difference, massive difference. Okay, weight is enough. Now, what have I got here? Power on. Oh, that's instruction. It's quite a nice design. User manual. Card, how to click and unclick this new Hammer Karoo 2 mount. It's a bit different from the Garmin or Wahoo. What's this? It's a user manual. Map data information, blah blah blah. It's basic, really basic stuff. So I put this away. What else? Oh, is there anything inside? No, I don't think so. Okay, so this part, here we go. Okay, it's got small pieces. I suppose these are to fill the USB-C port here. When we ride outside, I think. That's a mount. It's a new mount. Okay. Huh? Okay, good. Yeah. It's quite stable. How to undo it, I don't know. Here we go. Click to the right. Ah, then it comes out. Okay, good. Done. And Allen key. This is the a spacer to the put the Garmin mount. I do a different comparison. Okay, so I said Edge 520 was thicker, but I guess when I put this adapter, it's going to be thicker. So you might want to consider that's the difference if you're using Garmin mount. I guess that's a USB-C cable and lanyard. It is. Lanyard. Hammerhead logo on the USB-C cable. Do you see that? Here. Turning this on. So regarding to the manual case, it says power on here. So I push this. I nearly sneezed. Never mind. Coming. Oh yeah, it's moving. Nice graphics. Okay. I'm loving the display. Yeah, one of the reasons why I decided to get this is the display. It's big and colorful, and push this, and also high res. I suppose I better set the Wi-Fi. I do it off camera. So I put the password and connected, and tick. My Karoo 2 is unlike any other bike computer. It will never stop improving. Okay, so it's downloading update. I heard that it gets updated every 2 weeks. And that's another reason why I decided to get this. It's basically a smartphone in a shape of a cycling computer. It's got Android inside. After reading some reviews of Karoo 1, which I decided not to go for because that's just like way too huge, like that big, thicker than this, too heavy. There's no way. I also didn't want to go for other Garmin products again, because when I was racing in Frankfurt, Ironman Frankfurt, it actually died halfway through. Yes, it was extremely hot that day, but I didn't get to use the oh, it's gone dark. I just put this. Oh, it's coming, I think. Oh yeah. I didn't get to see the power for the second half of the race. Another reason, I was doing a time trial kind of event, and there was no course signage, so I decided to use my Edge 520 for navigation. I know it's not designed for navigation, but considering the COVID situation, I guess there'll be fewer races and will be more of these events where you ride on your own, and after that compare the time on some platforms like Strava. Now, I read that Karoo hasn't got really strong platform like Garmin does when it comes to checking your data and stuff, but I use Training Peaks anyway, so that's not a problem. Here we go. I think it's updated. Oh, it seems like I need to register myself on their site first to use this, so I will get back to you. It took me a while to register myself on their site because sign in success. Okay, good. Because I had to connect my Strava and Training Peaks account. Strava is straightforward, but Training Peaks, I've got a coaching account and private account. And of course, I wanted to connect my private account, but I forgot my password. Got hills, no sensors, cadence, heart rate, power heart rate, just heart rate. So these are like options, I suppose. Profile, sensors, settings, go back, rise, routes, workouts. Yeah. So, rise. There's no rise, of course. I haven't used this yet. Routes. No routes available. I think I can put this on or use the data from other sites, Strava and some other routing sites data, drag to this on a computer or maybe on here too, or if I connect that to my phone, I can do that on a phone perhaps. I need to check the apps, workouts. No upcoming workouts. Oh yeah. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Today I've 1.5 hours. I thought that was like 1 hour today. Strange. Was it? I need to check. So have a look. Route. I'm gonna do this indoors, so I suppose I need to check it how I do it later. Settings, Hammerhead account, Strava live segments, rider profile. I need to put a nice photo there later on. Connect accounts, bikes, training zones, turn by turn directions, key button icons, offline maps. Anyway, you can see all these nitty gritties on DC Rainmaker's video. I just keep it nice and simple. I suppose I'm gonna use it for a bit when the weather gets better, and I will tell you how it's like. After I put pre-order, Wahoo announced that they made the unit to automatically detect the transition. So you come with a Wahoo watch into the transition area and hop on a bike, and it immediately connects to the unit and flows smoothly. And I thought, oh, that's a bloody good idea. But then I thought, well, I don't really need to have that kind of data in a transition, because I'm, to be frank, not interested in that, because each race has got different setup, and even the same race has got different setup depending on the day or depending on the year. Also, I prefer to use a different watch and a different bike unit, and for the run, using the same watch as the swim watch. And I figured out maybe that's not that necessary. Of course, that's kind of smooth. That might make me focus more on the transition, but I've done enough triathlon, and yeah, I don't think that's much of a problem. It hasn't certainly distracted me in my race anyway. So I decided to stick to this Karoo 2. I'm going to review this unit in a coming month. Hopefully I can race too, so I can review with a racing experience. So not to miss these videos, please do subscribe, down there, and hit the like button and the bell too. So see you in the next video.